with Radiant Art Inspirations. If you're new, this channel is all about easy, fun, and fast face paint tutorials every single week. Today's design is kind of my go-to when someone doesn't know what they want. They're like, I don't know, blah, blah. And you know, we've all had kids like that are very indecisive and want to have ideas but don't really want to be surprised. So this design is called Fairy in the Forest. I mean, that sounds pretty cool, right? I think any kid would be all over it. And the great thing about this particular design is if you change the colors, you change the title, but still have the same design. For example, if it was a blue split cake, you would call it a Princess Ice Queen. And if it was reddish, like fire split cake, you can call it a Fire Queen, and so on and so forth. You get to be creative with your titles, keeping it really easy design, really simple, and also, of course, a lot of fun. FYI, every single design that we post every single week, we also do step-by-step photos that we post on our Instagram and Facebook at Radiant Art Inspirations. So go ahead, hop on over and take a look. But if you don't feel like hopping and you just kind of want to scroll through your phone, you can do that too. We are gonna go from this to this. Let's get started.
Here are the supplies you'll be using today. First, with a 3/4 or a 1-inch brush, draw the centerpiece of a petal along with 2 half petals on each side of the centerpiece. The split cake that we're using is called Miss Mermaid. Then, with a 5/8 angle brush, or the same brush that you use for the centerpiece, begin to draw pointy petals on the outer of the eye. About 3, you're going to do 1 long pointy one and then 2 smaller ones on each side. Then, of course, apply glitter. Then, with a sponge, apply gold eyeshadow to the eyes with a little bit of gold or yellow glitter. Next, with a number 4 brush loaded in black, begin to draw backwards or normal teardrops in the centerpiece, 1 large one and then 2 on each side. Then, with a number 2 brush, also load in black, and begin to draw smaller teardrops on the outer area of the centerpiece.
Hey, you there. I see you over there, and I wish you would subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell, yeah.
Then, with a number 2 brush, begin to create teardrops inside of each petal that you've done with the outer area of the eye. And then, start close to the outer corner of the eye to create a beautiful swirl with a small swirl inside. And then, do a kind of branch teardrop and then 2 backwards teardrops that both hug your swirl. Make sure to do the exact same on the other side, trying to be as symmetrical as possible. Then, if you like, you can also add dots on the outer area of your swirl, but it's not necessary. Get your handy dandy body glue and apply a gem right in the center bottom area of your centerpiece. And then jam out a little bit because you just got a gem, and of course you got to be glamorous. Then we are using festival glitter called Unicorn Pop for under the eyes and a little bit on top of the design. This glitter makes a huge difference, and it's something that, of course, any queen or princess needs to have on their face. And you're all done. Give yourself and this video a thumbs up.
See you guys next week. Bye-bye.